I'll show you the real Bangalore. This is the busiest part of Bangalore. It's KR Market. You know, this is the original Bangalore. It's a huge market where you get almost anything and everything that you want, right? And riding in this part really requires some expertise and experience. For a person like me as well, this is like a jungle, you know. And no, this is not Chor Bazaar of Bangalore or anything. So I'm actually going to a place here, the electronics place, where I got my first action camera, Paco Cameras and Organization. So I'm just going there now. It is just 5 kilometers away from here, but for this 5 kilometers it will take at least half an hour for me here. It's only between 12 o'clock to maybe 3 o'clock in the night where it's calm and you can go through. Otherwise you will find people all the time. And that cow doesn't give a shit. Viral Anjaneya, you know. This Hanuman poster is very famous in Bangalore and has gone viral. Almost anyone and everyone has got it here on either cabs or autos. You know, people keep fighting, that's common here. And this is the reason I did not get my Mojo, because I'm really scared that it will get scratched or dashed into or something. Activa is the scooter that I could get here and go across. This is the place to learn ultimate filtering, you know. They dashed into each other and that's very common to them, you know. So right now I'm in KR Market main road, which is Avenue Road, and I'll have to take a left here to go into Balepete. You want to see the real population of India? It's right here, man. It's not just the traffic jams of Bangalore that has population, you know. It's this place. And there will be constant honking for sure. They know for a fact that they cannot go forward overtaking here. He has honked more than 100 times now and I don't see him overtaking. Oh, finally he's making it. Oh, almost he dashed into those people. He's not giving up. He's totally frustrated now. Oh my god. He's on fire, dude. He's dashing into people. And there are hundreds of roads here. You know, you don't know where people are coming from, where vehicles are coming from. You just have to navigate, have faith in God and just go. So if you Google this camera place, you will get to know the direction. You don't have to worry. I guess out of 1 crore Activas that have been sold, half of them are here itself. Okay, so now this is Balepete main road. I have to take a right near this arch and go to the dead end. And yes, I'll be near the camera showroom. This guy is really reliable. Even my sister has got a DSLR from him. So what had happened was I got overexcited and I jammed in the battery, which was a little swollen. Can I go through here? No. Now I'll go. Yeah, the battery was a little swollen, so that's why I did not realize that, and in the excitement I just put it in the DSLR and I couldn't take it out. So that is me being a noob with a DSLR. Now that I realize it, I've got it here and I've got it serviced now. I just called him up and asked him. He's like, you can come collect it. So this is the showroom. I'll have to find a parking space. Yeah. You can park here. And yeah, this is the Paco Nikon showroom.
Yeah, so I've got my DSLR fixed now, and I'm recording with that now. And my sister was like, you too use the DSLR to record the videos. The clarity will be even better. So I guess from now on, since I've reached 5K subscribers, I'll try to use DSLRs and try to make quality videos.
Suzuki got trolled. He wants to go past that auto guy, and that auto guy is like, dude, I have more experience than you. We'll see if this Axis guy can overtake him before this road ends. Oh my god, he did it, dude. He dashed into him and he doesn't care. Zombies everywhere, man. Zombies everywhere. Oh my god. Hey. Sadly, they were caught. Yeah. See, me and my sister are going somewhere to do some shopping, and my sister was reluctant to get a helmet on, but now she understands the importance of it. It's not only safety, it's a way of escaping from cops. See, now that is how you filter. You need to have good throttle control, not dash into anyone, manage to find space and go. This is filtering. BBB's class on filtering. See, I did not learn this right off the bat. For example, I did not get Activa and just start filtering. It takes some practice. It's not like I know that there is a gap already, but it's like you have to get adapted to that gap immediately and start going, and you need to be aware of your surroundings always. Yeah, see, we covered so much distance. See, if I had been impatient there and gone through that gap, he would have dashed me. So these are all the things you have to be aware of and should predict it much faster than the actual action happens. There will be some old people riding in front of you. You should be ready for things like this. Oh my god, my spine. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಈ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಕಣ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಾನೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ರೇಸಾ ಏನಕ್ಕೋ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನೀನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೋ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ನಾನು, ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? The TVS XL, oh my god. I really feel pity for that, At least donkeys and oxes have, people show more mercy on those animals, but no one shows any mercy to Activas and XLs, man. I really feel sad for these machines. If they could talk, trust me, they would use more slangs than a human could.